Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placements. This is short reading. Okay, rest of December. So, general, specific messages, and yung ating, syempre, hindi nawawalang person on your mind. Diba? So, yeah, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info, and ganoon na rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms, okay? So, yeah, they're all available. Ito yung ating pangtanggal po ng blockage. Okay? Yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, ganyan siya. Ang ganda nito in person. And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. Okay, so yan po. No, this is unisex po, by the way. And made to order. So, yung ating ring, evil eye protection. So, yes, available po yung mga yan. Necklace, ring, may bracelet din tayo. Okay, and syempre yung ating cleansing kit. Okay, yung pang recharge ng inyong mga tawag dyan, charms. Okay, and sa mga crystal, pwede rin. Kung hindi sa akin galing yung charm nyo, pwede rin po yun. Okay, and syempre yung ating bago na attracting spray. Okay? So, pwede siya sa connection, sa love, and sa money. Okay? And syempre, yung ating pinakabago, yung ating healing oil. Yeah. Siya, ganyan siya. May dropper siya. Okay? Healing oil, maganda to sa mga hindi nakakatulog. Oo. Pahid nyo lang sa mga masakit ang katawan. Yan. Okay? Okay. So, anong meron? Leo placements. Rest of December. So again, para mag-manifest ang magandang energies, share the video. Okay? So, they want this. They want this to manifest. So, share the video. Job offer. Okay, so if ever, some of you, kung mayroon kang sariling business, okay, syempre, in general, pagdating po sa pamemera, mayroong mga offer na parating. Okay, what else? Okay, follow up. December, competition. So, mga specific energies po yan, ha? Kung sa inyo is may nagre-resonate. So, for me, may chance na mangyari. Okay? Bago mag-end ang December. Negotiate. And meron tayong no at the bottom of the deck. And performance. Okay, so there. So, mga specific yun. So, hindi na natin kailangan i-clarify. Okay? So, kung ano man ang meron, if you're waiting for those energies, okay, then, pwede, may chance po na dumating. And yes, again, just share the video para po mag-manifest sa inyong energy. Okay? So, mabilis lang na reading. Silipin lang natin. The person on your mind, Leo. The person on your mind. Who's this? The Knight of Coins. Medyo may matigas ang ulo niya, actually. Yeah. Yeah, the Three of Coins universe. Mahirap itong mahirap siya maintindihan. Oo, sa totoo lang. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. May chance na hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan ito madalas. Okay? Hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan madalas. This is you. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng may issue sa inyo ngayon. Okay, in general. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya ngayon, Leo? Okay. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, hiwalay. Okay. So, meron ditong unfinished business. Okay. The universe. Yan, the Three of Wands. Kung ano man yung hindi natapos sa inyo nung tao, okay, the unfinished business, mga ganyang bagay, parang tinatalikuran na lang din niya. Okay, parang wala siyang pakialam sa'yo ngayon. Sa totoo lang. Parang wala siyang pakialam sa situation ninyo sa ngayon. Andun yung pagmamatigas ng person. Okay? So, it's like, makikipag-ayos ako, ayoko nga. Bahala yan. Yun, ganon. Okay? Some of them, focus nila is money, yung career nila, mga ganyang bagay. So, tingnan natin ano ba talagang emosyon niya sa'yo. Anong emosyon niya? The Three of Cups. They still want reconciliation. Yeah. The Eight of Wands universe. Pero hindi sila ganun na sabihin nating craving for the energy. Craving for you. Okay? Pero nag-iisip siya. Yes. Oo. Number 1, ego and pride. Okay, ang humaharang. Oo. So, andun yung block. Actually. Ayaw to makipag-usap. Pero gusto nila ng reconciliation. What's their next action towards you, Leo? Justice. They want justice. They want fairness. Yeah. Ace of Cups. Iba sa inyo, may chance na nagpaplano itong taong to or meron silang offer na pwedeng ibigay. Okay? Pero wala akong action na nakikita rito. Pero they want this. Yeah, they want that. So, anong outcome? Anong outcome? What's the outcome? Huwag mo matigas talaga. Yes. The Emperor in reversed. Yeah, and the Three of Swords. It's like, okay, bahala ka. Gusto ko, okay, pero ayokong gumawa. Ayokong ako sa akin manggagaling yung move or actions. Parang ganun eh. Kung ayaw mo, diwag. Yan, no? 'Di ba? May lovers pa rin. Still, connected pa rin kayo nitong taong to energetically. Kung hindi man physically, then sa energy pwedeng nalabas to sa panaginip mo, mga ganyang bagay. So, yung person mo is still attached sa energy mo. Okay? So, nagmamatigas lang siya. I-pressure cooker mo. At ewan ko lang. Tingnan natin. So, all signs. Ewan ko lang kundi humiwalay ang kanyang bones sa laman. Oh my gosh. Bakit ganyan? So, Aries, they're sad. Parang walang wala nang opsyong natitira si Aries. Parang ganyan. Parang wala nang pag-asa. So, Taurus, they have a lot of option. Oo, no? They are confused. So, Geminis, sabihin nating may mabigat sa situation ni Gemini ngayon, or maybe the situation's giving them a lot of burden. So, Cancer, they want to communicate. Leo, they're holding back. Virgo, they want another chance. Okay, they want another chance. So, Libra, they're hiding from you, they're avoiding you. So, Scorpio, they want something. They want answers, clarity. They want to see you. They want to hear from you. Sagittarius, they're manifesting you. They want communication. Capricorn, they're waiting for you. Okay, some of them, nandun sila sa para silang nasa crossroads, no? Hindi sila makagawa ng actions like, yes, just waiting. Oo, parang ganyan. Aquarius, ayaw nila ng drama, ayaw nila ng conflict. So, it's like parang bahala ka. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, Pisces, they're moving on. Yeah, they're moving on. So, again, yeah, yun lang ating reading. Maikli lamang. Di natin kailangan pahabain. No? So, again, kung may tanong po, message lang. So, hanggang dito lang muna. Marami pa tayong magiging tawag dyan, reading. Hindi lang ito. So, again, thank you. Goodbye.